Today we're gonna do our makeup together. She's my sister and I'm visiting her at her channel.
Thank you for coming.
Okay. Beauty secret. I use milk of magnesia first as a primer. I don't use primers, so I'm gonna show you my trick.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna refresh my face with this Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm going to use my sponge just
to
spread it a little bit.
It's really good because it's actually good for your skin.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it all over my face as a primer.
I've never done that.
No?
It's like a oil control?
Correct. Because my face is very oily.
Alright, I am going to be using this LA Girl Pro Matte, and this is the HD High Definition Long Wear. This one. And I am going to apply this with a flat kabuki brush, like I always do. And then I'm gonna spread that with my sponge, as always.
Once I'm done with the milk of magnesia, I'm going to finish. 1 second. You can see that I have like white patches all over my face. Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use Fit Me from Maybelline 220 Natural Beige.
This foundation is really dark for me right now, but we're gonna fix that later on. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, I am going to apply my concealer, and I am going to be using Tarte. This is the Shape Tape, and I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades, just a little bit, and I'm gonna mix it up all over.
So I'm gonna use as a concealer from ColourPop Not Filter Concealer Light 18.
Now I'm going to set my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and for that I am going to be using the sponge.
I'm going to set my concealer with Ideal Flawless from Loose Powder from Avon.
Now I'm gonna set my foundation with my favorite pressed powder. Is a matte finished in the shade 235 from BH Studio Pro. This is the one that's my favorite. I think that's the only one I use most of the time. I think you use the same one. Which one first?
My eyebrows.
Okay, we're gonna do that out of camera because that takes such a long time.
And I'm gonna start using Lean. Lean. Here you go. This one. Wait, no, not that. This one right here.
I'm going to be using the color Channel.
Okay, so now I'm done with Lean. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful pink flicked. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna use it now.
In my outer corners, I'm going to be using Boss Angels. Is this beautiful, beautiful burnt orange, I would say.
And now I'm going to use in my inner corners this Muggle. That's the name, Muggle. I'm done with these colors. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my crease because I'm gonna do a nice and beautiful makeup.
I will be using some translucent powder to fix some of the messy. I'm gonna apply some concealer right here, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers because I'm gonna be using this color that looks so beautiful, and I just want that one to pop up. And the color that I am going to be applying now is Wand Noise. Is this beautiful orange. It has a little bit of shimmer, and I think it's beautiful. And I'm gonna be applying it with my fingers. Oof, so cute.
Now when I crease, so I'm going to be applying Millions, which I love. It's kind of my favorite from this palette right here. And I'm all gonna use as well my fingers.
On top of Wand Noise, I am going to be using the color Dog Mom. So cute. Just like that in the middle.
Okay, I'm done with my crease, as you can see. Goldy, goldy girl.
On my lower waterline, I will be applying Hi Dude. Is this dark brown? There's a little bit of shimmer, but it's okay. I'm gonna apply it really close to that waterline.
Going. I met you.
I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna use Channel just to blend that beautiful color Hi Dude.
I'm gonna use Don't Know Her, which is a beautiful color too, with a little bit of shimmer right here. So I'm gonna apply right here.
I'm going to define my brow bone with Designer Label. Is this one right here.
So now, for my inner corners, I'm gonna use Dog Mom. I love it. Right here, Dog Mom. Wait a second, what am I? It's kind of weird.
¿Tú estás muñeca?
Dog Mom. This is hilarious. Where is it? Dog Mom.
And I'm going to use the same shade for my inner corners, which is Designer Label. Just like that.
I'm going to remove all my translucent powder with a brush, because I like to contour my nose for some reason. I'm going to set my foundation with this BH Cosmetics pressed powder to shade 235.
This is gonna be my blush.
Okay, for my blush, I'm gonna use ColourPop Super Shock Chic. To apply my blush, I always like to smile, so I know where to put it.
For highlighter, I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Unreasy, and this is the one I will be applying.
For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Hot Damn from Artist Couture. I love Mac Daddy. I really love him. He's one of my favorites makeups guru from IG. I love him. And my sister, I love her. I wasn't into makeup till I met my sister. I wasn't into makeup at all. I used to be like, no, I don't want to. And she's like, but Jana, come on, it's fun. I'm like, no.
This is so much fun. To me, this is therapy.
So I'm gonna use this same one.
I'm gonna spray my face with some makeup setting, and I will be using my sponge to spread it out. It looks smooth, beautiful.
I'm gonna apply some.
And I will apply some more highlighter, but I feel like with my finger this time. And again, my sponge.
So I'm gonna be using, as a setting spray, Prep and Prime from MAC Cosmetics.
Now I'm going to apply my mascara.
I'm gonna be using the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline New York.
Alright, we're gonna do this off of camera and then we'll be back. Okay?
Okay, we're already done with our mascara. So we're gonna apply our lipstick. I'm gonna use Mega Last Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild.
And I will be using Out Loud from Smashbox.
Let's do this.
Yep.
I love this color. You should give it to me.
So we're back with the final look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I want to give a special thanks to my sister. She encouraged me to do makeup, to look better, more stylish, and take care of myself. Thank you so much.
That's so cute. Thank you for coming to my channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, okay?
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in our next video.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.